How to log Facebook profile. First and foremost, launch your Facebook application in a mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Facebook account. Once you're on your home page, tap on the profile icon from the top left corner just below the home icon. That's gonna take you to your profile page. Once you're here, now just below your profile name, next to the edit profile button, tap on three dot icon or the button. That will again take you to your profile settings. Once you're here, if you navigate there is a lock profile option just below view as option, so tap on lock profile. Here you have to read this information given to you. Once you're sure, tap on lock your profile button at the bottom of this interface. And with that, you have logged your profile, so only your friends can see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. Tap on OK. And that's how you can log your Facebook profile. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.